to the auto control mode, you cannot control the aircraft what these 4 sticks and channel 4 will not be active as well. The only thing you can do with this transmitter is to change from the auto control mode to the semi control mode and to the manual control mode. Repeat again. When the autopilot is working in the auto control mode, the only thing you can do with this transmitter is to change from auto control mode to the other working modes. And when the autopilot is in the auto control mode, and you can do these things. First, you can active the waypoint flight. When the waypoints was uploaded to the aircraft, and you active the auto control mode, and the aircraft will fly from one waypoint to the other waypoint. From waypoint 1 to waypoint 2, waypoint 3, and waypoint 4, and so on. Waypoint 1 is the default home point. That means when you active the auto control mode, and the aircraft will fly to waypoint 1 at once. But after arriving the first waypoint, and it will auto circle. If you want to fly to waypoint 2, then you need to change the target waypoint in the GCS. You can input waypoint 1, waypoint 2, or waypoint 3, or waypoint 7 to the blank of the functions to change the target waypoint. In normal conditions, the aircraft will fly from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3, then to waypoint 4. But if when the aircraft is on the way from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3, but you changed the target waypoint to waypoint 7, and the aircraft will fly to waypoint 7 immediately. When after arriving waypoint 7, and the aircraft will fly to waypoint 8, and then waypoint 9, and then waypoint 10. If you do not change the target waypoint anymore, but you can quit. You can pause the waypoint flight functions at any time as you like. You can active the circle function in the GCS. That means when you active the circle position functions, and the aircraft will auto circle. Over that point, you active the circle position functions. And if you want to quit the circle function, and you can select the auto cruise function in the GCS. When the auto cruise function is active and the aircraft will continue to carry out the waypoint functions. That means when the aircraft is from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3 and you activate the circle position function, and the aircraft will circle on the middle of waypoint 2 and waypoint 3. But when you quit the circle position function, that means you select the auto cruise function, and the aircraft will continue to carry out the waypoint flight from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3. And you can activate another waypoint function to pause the waypoint flights. For example, when the aircraft is on the way from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3, and you activate the real-time waypoint function, and you click on one point on the Google Earth map, and the aircraft will fly to that point at once. But you need to remember one point one time. When the aircraft is flying to one waypoint, and you click on the other point, and the aircraft will fly to the new waypoint at once. In this, for this real-time waypoint function, and you can keep this function using the auto cruise function. That means you can select the menu on the toolbar, and then the aircraft will keep the real-time waypoint and back to the normal waypoint functions. That means when the aircraft is on the way from waypoint 2 to waypoint 3, and you activate the real-time waypoint, and